Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an LG V20 screen replacement. So let's do it, dudes. So first we're going to take off the back battery cover by pushing that button, and that releases the back. Now don't forget to take out your battery, make sure your device is shut down, and then we'll go ahead and remove all the screws that you see here on the back. So just go ahead and start removing. Alright, so I think we got them all out of there. LG, can you put enough screws in this thing or what? Looks like there's like 25 screws or something like that. Okay, so I'm just double checking to make sure I got all of the screws out. And then after you get all the screws out, we're going to take a thin tool and separate this. Should just be held on by some clips. Okay, like so. So there's that one. Okay, and the other one. And then after you do that, this should separate here. This is held on by some clips too. This back plastic piece here. Okay. Keep in mind it is plastic, so be careful, and it is very thin plastic too. There we are. So you can remove that. Just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and start unplugging some stuff. So every time you see a connection, just go ahead and unplug it. There's your LCD right down here. And then your camera, which you can actually take out and remove. And then your front camera. And then this should lift up and out. And be extremely gentle with this. This is your entire phone here. Oh, it's probably stuck on this here. On this camera, I bet. Let's see if we can get this up and out. Okay, yep, that's it. Like that. Okay, so move that aside. And then we'll get our new screen here. Looks like there's a bunch of things we're going to try to transfer here. First off, we're going to get this headphone jack up. That's going to be a little tricky to get up here. I'm going to try my X-Acto knife and just try and slowly remove this. Okay, got it up, so just go ahead and put that in the new spot over here. Looks like there's like a little sticker here I'm gonna try and transfer to. I'm not sure why there's this tape right here. Oh well, I'm just gonna leave that. And go ahead and stick your headphone jack back down at the spot. We can go ahead and remove this tape over here. Stick that on there. Looks like this like plastic thing comes up too. This is like the battery holder, you know, the thing that holds your battery, the backing on your battery on. I'm not sure how this is going to come up, so we'll just take our time. There we go. Doesn't seem to want to come up very easy. All right, there we go. Cool. So there's that. Let's go ahead and stick it back down on a new one. All right. Looks like we're good. Looks like these tabs right here hold it in place. I broke that one, which isn't a big deal because we're not going to reuse this screen anyways. Let's go ahead and retransfer our vibrator button over here. Not button, but you know, our vibrator. Definitely not the best communicationist when it comes to this. So, don't make fun of me if I say something wrong. Okay, make fun of me a little bit, but not too much. So, we'll do that one, and then we'll go ahead and get this up, this little grounding point, or whatever this is. Put this back on. Do a new screen. Oh, this like folds around. That's interesting. Okay. Seems like it'll be a little tricky to line this up, but it looks like it goes through this slot here. And then over the two little prongs that are on the new screen. Right there, like so. And then try and fold this up and line it up. Obviously this is going to tear pretty easy, so you got to be very, very gentle. I think that might be like a Bluetooth antenna or something like that. Okay, so that is on there. We'll go ahead and remove this next thing right here. I think that is, God, that's got to be like the proximity sensor or something like that. Alright, so we will go ahead and start removing it. Doesn't seem to want to come up very easy. So there's some pretty delicate stuff on this phone. Just be very careful when you're going about it. I'm going to remove this. Oh, you know what? This is probably the light detector, because these white tabs are usually where the light detector is. So we got that transferred. We'll go ahead and put our new deal down. I think that's lined up pretty well. And then we'll get our earpiece. Alright, sorry guys, I got a phone call. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue removing this earpiece. Cool. So we got that up without ruining it. Okay, we won't worry about that. Alright, what else do we have to transfer? Looks like that is there. That... Okay, let's remove this camera. Okay, put that down. Remove this little gasket. Put that right there. And let's do our earpiece. Well, that didn't really want to come off. I guess we can just re-stick it down. I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive where this connection is, where the earpiece connection sits, so just hold on 1 second. So now that'll stick down. Okay. Making some progress. Alright, I think that might be close to everything. Oh no, we got some buttons here. Some volume buttons, so let's see. I think that's pretty much the last of it though. This button right here. Pretty easy, just lifts up and out. Alright. And then this is probably going to be held down by some sticky stuff. And then, let's see, does it go this way? Looks right. Feels good. I like it. We're gonna go with it. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna double check, make sure I got everything off this son of a bee. Yep, looks good, looks good. I'm gonna save this because I'm gonna transfer this sticker over after I test this screen, make sure it works. So yeah, everything looks good to go. Just making sure I didn't forget like a gasket or something. Oh, see, forgot that little piece right there. Okay guys, sorry about that. I keep getting phone calls and customers coming in. So anyways, we need to transfer this last little grounding spot here. So it just looks like it's just a little tape. Okay, that's why you always double check. Alright, so I think that completes it. We're gonna go ahead and do our motherboard here. Just move the cables out of the way. Okay, and then once that's seated, go ahead and plug your LCD in right there. just pops in your front facing camera and your other facing camera, your rear one. Just like that. Okay, well, that should be good. We can snap this back on. So just go around the edges, snapping this in place. Okay. So before I put in my screws, I'm just going to put this on, snap that, and then this on, snap that, and then we'll test it out, make sure it's working good. So vibrated, that's a good sign. And then if everything works good, we will go ahead and transfer. I'm going to go ahead and transfer these stickers, and we'll put all our screws back in. Isn't this exciting? Okay. Okay, good. Looks good. I just want to test the cameras, see what they look like. So front facing camera is good. How do you flip it? There you go. That's good. Okay. Hey guys, so I didn't, I had to hurry up and finish that fix because the customer came in and was waiting. So what I did is everything worked fine, so I just transferred the stickers off, put it on the new screen, and then I just put all the screws in that you saw me take out, and that was it. And then I closed it up and it was ready to go. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you are wanting to attempt the repair yourself, hopefully that helps. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.